Hello and welcome everyone, and today I'll be sharing with you another DIY which is of making friendship band. And as we know, Friendship Day is this Sunday, so you can give this bracelet not only to your friends but anyone and on any occasion you want to, not just Friendship Day. So let's begin. You can basically use any type of thread, leather, satin, any thread you want to. I'm using yarn because it is easily available. Now for making this band, I'm using red and white color of yarn. Just you have to follow the steps carefully. I'm using 4 strings in 2 different colors. Cut each of them around 30 to 35 centimeter. Here we have to tie a knot at one end and then tape it to a flat surface. Now separate both the colors. Take one color set of strings and cross over the other color. Loop around to make a knot and pull it tightly. Grab the other color, cross over, loop around to tie a knot. Pull it against the previous knot. Keep repeating these steps. Following the same process, I'll do the same for all of them. It's very easy, and once you get the hang of it, it hardly takes 5 minutes to make. Simple, no confusion, and looks very pretty at the end. The knot braid should look like this. Continue until the bracelet measures around your wrist. Once you've got the length, cut off the excess pieces. And yeah, our easy friendship band is ready. You've put efforts, it's handmade, better than something you can buy in the market. And I would personally love to receive a handmade bracelet like this on Friendship Day. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and if you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that red subscribe button if you haven't. Till then, take care, goodbye, happy crafting.